If you've ever dealt with stuck-on grime, greasy kitchen messes, or floors that never seem to feel fully clean, you already know how useful a good steam cleaner can be. The problem is that not all of them are built the same. Some are better for quick everyday cleaning, while others are made for deeper jobs, more attachments, or better reach around the house. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best steam cleaners, each one standing out for a different kind of cleaning need and home setup. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these steam cleaners aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Per Steam 10-in-1. This is the most budget-friendly steam cleaner on our list. What makes this one stand out is how much you're getting in one machine. If you want something affordable but still really useful, this one gives you a lot to work with. You can use it as a steam mop, then switch it into a detachable handheld unit for more detailed cleaning around the house. And that flexibility is a big part of the appeal. You can use it on tile, hardwood, laminate, carpet, grout, upholstery, sofas, and even clothes. So instead of buying separate tools for different jobs, you've got one cleaner that covers a lot of your everyday messes. Plus, this thing also heats up in 30 seconds, which makes it easy to grab when you want to clean something fast. And because the mop head swivels, you can get around furniture and into tighter areas more easily. You also get a collapsible handle, so storing it away is simple. And then there's the accessory kit, which adds even more value. You're getting useful extras like brushes for smaller detail work, an angled nozzle for tighter spots, a grout brush, and a carpet glider for more surface flexibility. So you can handle a wider mix of cleaning jobs without making the whole process feel complicated. And here's what Elliot says. This thing is really great if you live in a small or shared space. First off, it folds up, so if you need to, you can store it in a cabinet, what I do, so it doesn't clutter up your space. Secondly, it has a handheld feature and comes with a lot of attachments, so you don't need to buy multiple products. I love using it to clean my bathroom and my range. So if you want the best value for the money, this one's an easy choice. Number 6 is the Gurobel GB-SC70. This is the best time-saving steam cleaner on our list. This one is built to keep you moving. It heats up in 40 seconds, and even better, you can refill the tank anytime without shutting it off, waiting for it to cool, or pausing your whole cleaning session. And the 0.66 gallon tank helps even more. Since you're not constantly stopping to refill it, you can stay focused and move from one area to the next much more easily. That's especially helpful when you're cleaning bigger spaces or tackling multiple jobs in one go. On top of that, it gives you a wide cleaning range. You've got a 7.2-foot extension hose and an 11.5-foot power cord. You can move around more freely while cleaning. Then there's the steam performance. It reaches 230 to 260 degrees, which helps cut through grease, grime, and stuck-on messes fast. And since it supports dry and wet modes, you've got more flexibility depending on the job. Now, this thing also comes with 21 accessories. You can move from wider surfaces to tighter detail work without needing extra tools. So if you want the quickest cleaning routine, go with this one. Number 5 is the ODSD Steam Cleaner. This is the most adjustable steam cleaner on our list. The standout feature here is the 3-level steam control right on the handle. That makes this one especially easy to tailor to the job in front of you. You can go lower for more delicate surfaces like upholstery, and then turn it up when you're dealing with tile grime, grease, grout, or tougher messes. So if you like having more control instead of using the same steam level for everything, this one really delivers. And it also heats up in just 15 seconds, which is impressively quick. That means when you're ready to clean, you're not stuck waiting around. You can just fill it, power it on, and get started. Then there's the 1.6-liter transparent tank, which gives you up to 48 minutes of continuous steam. Because of that, it works really well for longer cleaning sessions when you don't want to keep stopping in the middle of the job. You can stay in rhythm and get more done in one go. And it also feels versatile thanks to the included accessory set. You get tools for tile, grout, windows, furniture, pet areas, car seats, kitchens, bathrooms, and more. So whether you're cleaning inside the house or detailing your car, you've got a setup that adapts easily. On top of that, it uses 221-degree high-temperature steam with 3-bar pressure, which gives you strong cleaning power without chemicals. And with the 78-inch hose and 78-inch power cord, you get extra reach for under furniture, higher areas, and awkward corners too. And here's what Johanna says. I'm really impressed with this ODSD steam cleaner. It heats up super fast, about 15 seconds, and produces strong, consistent steam that easily cuts through grease and grime. I've used it on bathroom tile and grout, kitchen surfaces, and even for car detailing, and the results are excellent. So if you want more control with every job, this one fits that role really well. And if you want to know the latest prices for the steam cleaners discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Bissell PowerFresh Slim. This is the best starter steam cleaner on our list. You get a 3-in-1 setup that works as an upright steam mop, an extended reach cleaner, or a detachable handheld steamer. And it keeps the process easy. You sanitize with just water. And when used as directed, it eliminates 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses. So you get a clean, straightforward experience without needing extra products. But it still gives you plenty of power. The steam reaches up to 275 degrees, and the steam on demand trigger gives you better control when you want to target specific messes. Now, it also comes with 9 tools, including a grout tool, scraper, brushes, flat surface tool, and clothing steamer tool. And for everyday convenience, the slim, low-profile design, 25-foot cord, and wall mount make it even easier to use and store. So if you want the easiest one to start with, this is a great pick. Number 3 is the Weightbird Steam Cleaner. This is the most versatile steam cleaner on our list. If you want a steam cleaner that can move from floors to upholstery to windows to car interiors without missing a beat, this one gives you that kind of flexibility right away. And the 21-piece accessory set adds a lot here too. You're getting tools like nylon and brass brushes, ironing cloths, microfiber mop pads, and a glass brush. So you can move from floors to upholstery to windows without feeling limited. You also get more flexibility for tighter detail work. On top of that, it reaches up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you the kind of high-temperature steam that's great for breaking down dirt, grease, and everyday buildup. And because it's designed for 360-degree cleaning, you can get into more angles and tighter spots without leaving much behind. It also helps you clean longer without constant stops. The 38-ounce tank heats up in less than 5 minutes and gives you a steady supply of high-pressure steam, so you can get through bigger tasks with fewer refill breaks. And for everyday use, it's got a child lock, automatic shutoff, and an ergonomic handle. That makes it feel even more practical around the house. So if you want a steam cleaner that can do a little bit of everything, this one fits that perfectly. Number 2 is the Kärcher SC 3 Easy Fix. This is the best multi-purpose steam cleaner on our list. What gives this one the edge is how smoothly it handles a wide mix of surfaces while keeping the whole process simple. If you want one machine that feels just as comfortable on grout and tile as it does on windows, mirrors, appliances, and hard floors, this one makes that really easy. It has a 40-second heat up, so you're not wasting time waiting around before you can start cleaning. Once it's ready, it delivers over 200 degrees Fahrenheit of steam. That helps you naturally clean and sanitize without using harsh chemicals. Then there's the floor performance, and this is where it feels especially well-rounded. The Easy Fix floor nozzle uses lamella technology for edge-to-edge steam distribution, so you get a wider, more even cleaning path. That makes it easier to cover floors efficiently while still getting a thorough clean. Plus, it also gives you nice reach and maneuverability. The flexible nozzle joint and 2 20-inch extension tubes help you clean under furniture, around corners, and even overhead areas with less hassle. So whether you're cleaning floors, countertops, mirrors, or other detail spots, it stays easy to work with. And because the water tank is easily refillable, you can keep cleaning with less interruption. Add in the included hand nozzle, floor nozzle, microfiber cloths, detail brush, and auto descaling cartridge, and you've got a really complete setup. So if you want one that can handle all kinds of cleaning jobs well, this one's a great fit. Number 1 is the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. This is the best overall steam cleaner on our list. What puts this one at the top is how well it balances power, reach, runtime, and versatility all in one machine. If you want a steam cleaner that feels strong across the board instead of excelling in just one area, this one brings everything together really well. Right away, the cleaning power stands out. It generates superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes it great for lifting dirt, grease, grime, and buildup across a long list of surfaces. You can use it on tile, grout, hardwood floors, windows, mirrors, ovens, stovetops, showers, sinks, upholstery, curtains, pet beds, and car interiors. It covers a lot without needing much compromise. And then there's the runtime. The large tank gives you up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill. That's a big plus when you want to get through a serious cleaning session without stopping all the time. That longer runtime makes it feel especially well suited for whole home cleaning. Plus, this thing also comes with a 17-piece kit, which makes it feel ready for a wide range of cleaning jobs right out of the box. Whether you're working on floors, getting into tight corners, or dealing with tougher buildup, you've already got the tools to handle it. And because it's lightweight, compact, and built with a long hose and extension tubes, you can leave the unit in place and move around more easily while cleaning. So if you want the strongest all-around pick, this is the one to beat. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect steam cleaner. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each steam cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.